Most small businesses start out running on familiar, free spreadsheets. But as your operation grows, you reach an inevitable breaking point, where version conflicts and manual data entry errors start costing you real money. The usual fix is to adopt a patchwork of specialized software, a CRM over here, an inventory app there, and a separate accounting tool. Every single one of these tools charges its own monthly subscription fee. Worse, none of them actually talk to each other without you paying for expensive third-party integrations. This brings us to a completely different approach. Odoo is a single, connected platform that replaces that entire web of tools with over 40 integrated business applications. The draw for most growing companies is the price tag. Odoo's Community Edition is completely open source, meaning there are absolutely zero licensing costs. But in the world of enterprise resource planning, a software license that costs nothing usually means you are paying for it in IT labor and server infrastructure. So today, we are going to calculate the actual return on investment of migrating to Odoo. We need to figure out if the headache of setting up and self-hosting a system is worth the benefit of having all your data under one roof. Adopting this platform requires you to change how your team manages operational data and who takes responsibility for your technical backend. This diagram shows Odoo's modular architecture. Separate apps like sales, inventory, and accounting plug into one underlying shared database. Let's trace it. When your team enters a sales order, that entry instantly reduces available warehouse stock and simultaneously triggers a finalized invoice in accounting. The trade-off for this level of integration is severe. Because everything is connected, a single typo replicates across your entire operation instantly. This creates a dangerous trap during setup. If you migrate uncleaned, outdated data from your old spreadsheets into Odoo, those errors will immediately infect your inventory, sales, and accounting data all at once. A unified database acts as an amplifier. It scales your operational efficiency, but it also scales your data entry errors. Strict data hygiene before you launch is a strict requirement, not an optional step. If you want to bypass software licensing fees entirely, you will run the Community Edition on your own private cloud server. This chart compares monthly costs. A business pays $400 for separate SaaS tools, while self-hosted Odoo is $40. That gap represents hidden labor. You are responsible for backups, security patches, server health, and scaling infrastructure as users grow, or performance slows down. If you lack an IT team to handle this, your alternative is paying a monthly fee for managed hosting through Odoo.sh or Odoo Online. The free community version simply trades direct subscription costs for technical ownership and the ongoing labor required to keep it running. This quadrant chart maps the implementation process. Out of the box, community build modules from the App Store fall into low-effort, high-impact territory, but there is a customization ceiling. Deeply altering core modules with Python moves you into high-effort territory, pushing past the free tier's limits. The single most common reason Odoo implementations fail is that businesses try to activate every single module on day one. A successful rollout requires strict discipline. You need a phased strategy where you start with just one or two core applications, like sales and inventory. You will also need to run your old software in parallel with Odoo for 2 to 4 weeks. This overlap is crucial for catching critical data migration errors before you fully cut over. This means temporary double data entry for your staff. It is an intentional delay of your timeline to a positive ROI, but it protects your operations. Rolling out Odoo demands rigorous change management. It is a process you manage, not a magic switch you flip. On a pure functionality per dollar basis, the Odoo Community Edition is unmatched, provided you respect the technical overhead it requires. This decision matrix reveals your best path if you currently pay for multiple disconnected SaaS tools. With basic IT capability, follow the self-hosted community path to eliminate subscription fees entirely. But with zero internal IT staff, you belong on the managed Odoo Enterprise path. Even at roughly $20 to $40 per user per month, the Enterprise Edition remains a fraction of the cost of legacy systems like NetSuite. There is one strict warning to heed. Do not adopt Odoo if leadership refuses to assign a single, dedicated internal project owner. Without an internal owner managing user permissions and rules, you will quickly suffer configuration drift across your departments, which inevitably leads to your team abandoning the software entirely. Odoo is a powerful tool capable of consolidating a chaotic operation, but it demands a disciplined operator to govern it. For small and medium businesses willing to invest in implementation discipline, it provides a highly cost-effective escape route from the fragmented SaaS trap. In our next episode, we will evaluate ERP Next, another open-source alternative built specifically for growing operations. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the rest of the series.